soon as you start observing something, a process,
The
it
process
directly alters the process.
It is. Something new emerges as well.
Yeah.
We are the stories we tell, and I think that's very true in terms of sense of self, because everybody sees the world in a different way, and everyone's kind of just a patchwork of every different story we've ever heard, I think.
I'm Emily Lee. I'm co-director of the Georgia Evans Centre for Storytelling here at the University of South Wales, where I'm Professor of Performance Studies, and together with Leah, we've convened the Storytelling for Health Conference.
I'm Leah Salter. I'm a family and systemic psychotherapist. I work for Cynhadledd Morgannwg University Health Board, and I'm also a visiting fellow here at the Georgia Evans Centre for Storytelling. One of the challenges of timetabling the conference is we're pretty welcoming. If it fits within the themes, we generally want to make space for it. There are lots of parallel sessions, which means that sometimes you have to make a choice between going to this themed one or that themed one. And like you yesterday, I was just thinking, I want to go to all of them. Just from listening to people, I get the sense that quite a few people have said the same, that it was just such a full programme. Andrea Davis, who came to do an opener from the health board, who's the head of psychology, she was just so impressed by the programme and she wanted to stay for the whole day. And I think lots of people are kind of feeling that.
But I think it just shows the richness of the field. Whereas at previous conferences, we might have talked about storytelling for health and wellbeing as an emerging discipline. I think the strength and range of presentations really shows that it's landed, it's been established, it's being recognised within those institutional settings where you can make a real difference to the care that people receive.
You, much more than me, Emily, have obviously been leading this since 2017 with Prue Thimbleby, and I've been a part of it up until this time, more of a backgrounded part. But I've seen that difference since 2017, where it felt like the kind of storytelling for and in health was just starting to get established, and now it feels fully grounded and rooted.
Yeah, and we're seeing examples of practice from within the big, difficult to move, late adopting places. We're now seeing really innovative and exciting examples of practice.
It was great to see representation from community groups this time. I thought that was a really positive development. And I think one of the things that I noticed yesterday, I was in a session that was really jam-packed with 6 different presentations. And what I loved was every presenter or group of presenters had their own style of address and their own themes that they were exploring. And there was this sense that the difference was held in the space. It just felt really authentic, that people could speak into and out of their practice from the medium that they were most comfortable with, which was really heartwarming as well.
What I just experienced is like Wales have actually invest time to create a baobab tree of well-being, and all the community, that the people that work in the art and academia and clinicians have come together following the tradition of story and well-being, because they two are one and the same. Thank you.